Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre at the start of the long weekend. Cloudy conditions could keep things cool this morning over the eastern half of the country, with a bit of light rain possible along the eastern escarpment and the Highveld. For the western parts, lots of sunshine in the forecast. In fact, it's going to be a very hot day in Namaqualand and even parts of the Western Cape as well. There's a cold front approaching from the west, but this will only impact South Africa much later in the weekend. Here's our rain forecast for today. Fine and dry conditions for the three Cape provinces. Very isolated storms later on in parts of Gauteng as well as Limpopo, and a bit of light rain at first in the Lowveld and KwaZulu-Natal. Daytime temperatures on the high side in the west, up to 30 degrees in Sutherland, 29 in Cape Town today, 37 forecast for Vredendal, 27 degrees in George and East London, highs of 27 along the KZN coast as well, with 26 degrees in Pietermaritzburg. It will warm up in Gauteng to 25 in Johannesburg, 27 degrees in Pretoria, Polokwane reaching a high of 25 as well. Now the wind forecast can make or break a day. Along the west coast we're not expecting strong winds at all. Southwesterlies up to 20 kilometers per hour with an open ocean swell of 3 meters and low tide expected shortly after 12 o'clock. Along the southwest coast, southerly to southwesterlies in False Bay, southeasterlies further south in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas, and there's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. For the south coast, light onshore winds slightly stronger towards Port Elizabeth, speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour. This accompanied by an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters and high tide expected at 6:30 tonight. Along the east coast, winds return to the northeast, speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour in Durban and Richards Bay, slightly stronger along the Wild Coast. There's a southwesterly swell of 1.5 meters and low tide expected at 12:18.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com